In this video, we'll learn how to conduct a slump test and what that means for soil health. What does a slump test show? A slump test shows the soil's ability to absorb and hold water and how well a saturated soil holds together. It shows soil structure and resiliency through water absorption. It can also show how soil would hold up under a heavy rain event. The hypothesis is that the management of soil affects the aggregate stability of the soil. A stable soil is better able to hold together and hold water compared to soils that are not stable. There are three properties that are important to soil health: absorption, clumping, and capacity. In a large rain event, fast absorption of water can prevent flooding, which can be detrimental to the surrounding land. Soil that clumps together when it is wet reduces the amount of soil particles that can be washed away during a rain event. In other words, erosion. The more water that the soil can hold on to after being saturated means less water can be washed away as sheet flow. I have a soil slump demonstration set up here. I have two small glass jars filled with 3/4 of the way of water, two sink strainers with a soil sample in each, one healthy and one unhealthy, and two paper plates. To do the demonstration, I place the sink strainers in the jars of water at the same time. I observe how fast each sample absorbs the water. The sample on the right absorbs the water fairly fast, which would indicate a healthy soil. But the sample on the left absorbs the water pretty slow, which indicates an unhealthy soil. Once the water is fully taken up by the soil, I take the sink strainers and flip them upside down on a plate. The sample on the right stuck together in large aggregates and looks like a brownie texture. This is what healthy soil should look like. The sample on the left stuck together, but it looks like pudding because of microaggregates. This is what an unhealthy soil looks like. I tip each plate slightly and look at the water it leaves behind as it slides across the plate. The sample on the right has absorbed the water and held onto it, which indicates a healthy soil. But the sample on the left has released a slimy residue, which is the soil and water mixed together. This indicates an unhealthy soil. Overall, I would say that the sample on the right is the healthy soil, and the sample on the left is the unhealthy soil. That's it for this demonstration. Thanks for watching.